alien invaders. No, they're not from outer space, but plants introduced from other countries, non-native to our ecosystem. They threaten our biodiversity and disrupt our natural world. Now, we depend on biodiversity for water, food, clean air, and medicine. So preserving and protecting these resources is vital. Alien invasives are aggressive intruders as they penetrate and replace our native plants. They compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients, choking out native species and destroying habitats. Now, many alien invaders have escaped from our very own gardens and are multiplying rapidly in the wild. Finding a way to control them in our gardens is key, as there are a few ways to keep aliens at bay. Herbicides are effective against alien plants. Some aliens, like shrubs, require just a foliar spray, which is most effective during vigorous growth. Others need to be cut down before applying the herbicide on the stump. When manually removing aliens, stamp down disturbed soil after uprooting and repeat annually to eliminate seedlings. Dispose of seedling alien plants in landfills, not in your compost heap. Wear gloves for safety to protect against thorns that are poisonous or cause allergies. Just by following these steps, we can protect our natural world from invasive aliens.